Tension escalated in Bishnupur district today amid road blockade imposed over April 7th Ronglaubi killings when protesters stopped 3 vehicles, a Bolero, a Verna and a Swift at Thinungai around 1:30 p.m. The occupants, dressed in civil attire, claimed to be personnel of Assam Rifles but allegedly failed to produce identification documents when asked. As suspicion grew, one vehicle turned back and fled, while passengers from the remaining vehicles abandoned them and attempted to escape into nearby houses. An irate mob subsequently torched 2 vehicles and detained 5 individuals at a house. Upon interrogation, those detained 5 persons failed to produce valid identification and gave inconsistent answers during questioning. Later, Bishnupur police along with Rapid Action Force (RAF) personnel arrived at the spot and took custody of the detained individuals, reportedly by force, triggering fresh anger among protesters. Clashes soon erupted at multiple locations including Ningthaupong, Nachau Panthong and along Tudim Road, where security forces resorted to firing tear gas shells, smoke bombs and reportedly live rounds to disperse the crowd. The unrest also affected Bishnupur District Hospital, where the firing caused panic and disrupted medical services. In the ensuing violence, at least 18 persons, including 5 women, were injured, while the situation remained tense with heavy security deployment across the district.